These are laundry sheets. I don't know about you, but I love laundry sheets. I thought the liquid was so messy, and also the powder, and the boxes and the containers were so big. They took up so much space in the laundry room. I love these little packages of sheets, and they do just as good a job as far as I can tell. And I've used about 4 different kinds. So I'm going to try these and see how I like them. These are from Earth Breeze, and they are eco sheets, ultra concentrated, and they have no parabens, no phosphates, no bleach, no dyes, no optical brighteners. And they've been tested by dermatologists, so if you have allergies, these should be okay for you. These are hypoallergenic. So how do you use them? Let's open the package. They have a very nice scent. I'll just get one out here. Here's one. The directions on the back of this package say you can use half a sheet for a medium load. That means your drum is half full of clothes. So that's what I'm going to do today. The drum is half full, so I'm cutting it in 2, and I will only use half of it. You want to use a whole sheet for a large load, which means the drum is 3/4 full. And you can use 2 sheets for heavily soiled or extra large loads. That would be a full drum. These work with warm water or with cool water, and they are for all machines. They dissolve quickly for all around clean, and they are septic tank and gray water safe. So I'm going to do a load of clothes, and then I will let you know how they came out. Thanks to the brand for sending me a sample so that I could try it out and make this video. My clothes have been through the wash, and then I've dried them in the dryer. And they came out very clean. Here's a towel that went through. And see, the white is very white, and there are no stains at all. I set the washer on cold water, quick wash. And the clothes came out very clean. The laundry sheets had a very pleasant smell to them, but that didn't translate to the washed clothes. They had no odor at all. And this towel out of the dryer has no scent at all. The package has 30 sheets, so it can do up to 60 loads. That would be, of course, if you were using half of a sheet for each load, but it doesn't always work out that way. I'm pleased with it, although I was a little put off by not smelling anything. You know, I like to smell a faint scent and have it smell like the ocean or whatever scent it's supposed to smell like. But it got the clothes really clean, and it was cold water. And if you're looking for a laundry sheet that gets your clothes clean, you might like to try this one for yourself.